In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a subtask into a card in Trello. If you're managing a project in Trello, you might sometimes find that a subtask grows in complexity and becomes significant enough to warrant its own card. Converting a subtask into a separate card is simple, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to start by opening the Trello board where your task resides. Once you're on your board, search for the specific card that contains the subtask you aim to convert. Click on this card to expand it and view all the current details and checklist items it contains. Within this card, you'll see your list of subtasks. These subtasks live within a checklist, which is a handy way to keep things organized. Hover your cursor over the particular subtask that you want to convert. As you hover over the subtask, you'll notice a tiny icon with 3 dots appearing next to it. This icon is your gateway to more options relating to this subtask. Click on the 3 dots icon. Doing so will reveal a menu titled Item Actions, which contains various options for managing your checklist items. Among the choices presented, you'll find an option labeled Convert to Card. Go ahead and click on this option, and just like that, with the click of a button, your selected subtask is transformed into an individual card on the board. This new card inherits both the title of the original subtask and any labels you may have assigned. It also automatically gets linked back to the original card, creating a seamless connection between the two, which is particularly useful for keeping track of associated tasks. At this point, you might want to click on the newly created card to further customize it. Here, you can add more details, set due dates, assign members, or even add it to a specific list on your board that aligns with the project's workflow. This flexibility allows the new card to become a more integrated part of your project's structure. Converting subtasks to cards is a powerful feature in Trello that facilitates more granular project management when your tasks evolve beyond their initial scope. It's a great way to ensure no task gets overlooked and maintains the focus it deserves. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to adapt to changes and accurately represent the scale of your project's components right within Trello. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your Trello boards effectively. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your productivity. Until next time, happy organizing.